this is true peacefulness, getting out in nature. I never feel as relaxed, even in a home that it's like you feel peace in, but I never feel as relaxed or as peaceful as being out in true nature. It's just, I don't know, it just is like such an awakening in my soul every time I come out. It just totally makes me happy. This
It does.
So my happy place.
Yeah. It's like a drug.
It is. I'm like, it just gives me such a high.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what you do though when your feet are freezing, you hit them. So
You hit your feet when they're freezing? But, you know, Yosemite is so big, it's easy to get lost here and get away from people. And I'm both. I'm lost and away from people. I don't know where any of our group went, and I'm lost. I think that if I follow the North Star, but it's hard to find during the day. You can do it. You can find the North Star during the day. I just don't know how. If you follow the sun, it leads you in some direction, and then you can just walk around. Oh, there they are. I was just kidding. That was just some humor. Whoa, too close.
Why is there stuff on my back? What is this, nature?
No, let me get down there.
Okay, hold on. You're crazy!
Nice job, you did it! I'm holding a little red racer snake. He's so cute, and he
What's
can't.
his name gonna be?
I don't know. He sure is cute though.
Catfish fry. I'm warning you beer drinkers.
So
Wanna try.
I'm inside and I walk outside and there's like this guy playing music and I'm like, you know, that's cool. Apparently he has like a lot of history or something and it's very interesting and he's funny, but he sings good. I don't know who he is though. He just started playing music.
Miller Lite. I figured maybe I'd have me a little bit of beer tonight. But when I come home, yeah, you're right. There wasn't a Miller Lite left inside.
So you're not like a big wilderness person, Erica.
I'm not. This is, I think, too much outside.
But what, like when you come here, what is that feeling that you get though?
I don't know. It's like going from somewhere where you're not free to here is just such a big, like, it's almost like a relief. It's just like you get silence and it's incredible. I think that everyone, even if you don't like the outdoors, like you should definitely just explore and go. That was a bee.
One of the number one fears that we have on the road like this is I work for myself. You know, there's always this fear, this struggle of trying to get the next job and that sort of thing. And so I was driving home and was just thinking about the things that I could do or maybe should do to, like to get the next job or sell the next product online or whatever. Just consumed by it. And there are always things in life that are worrisome, and those worries, cares, and concerns become all-consuming. And what we tend to do, when I say we, I'm talking about myself, is distract myself from it. Watch TV, some kind of noise from the TV, or at least put on music or something, take my brain away. Something that was kind of mind-numbing, that took my mind off of whatever was consuming me and worrying me, and directed it somewhere else. And so today, as I was driving home, consumed with all this stuff, I came out here to where we're camping in Yosemite, and there is no Wi-Fi, no cell service, no television. There's nothing to distract myself except for quiet. And quiet can be a little creepy sometimes, because quiet can mean that we just keep thinking about that thing. But for me tonight, being out here in this gorgeous place, having no access to anything really distracting, for me, I've found more peace and calm in the quiet than the distraction of noise. And I know that it's not always easy to get out. You can't just come to a place like this in Yosemite, but I think just even creating quiet in your home, creating an atmosphere of peace, dimming the lights, turning on some candles, and shutting off everything that makes noise. Like, entertain the kids, keep them entertained with some noise, but it was just my wife and I outside while the kids were in watching a movie. We do have DVDs. And she was reading a book, and I was just sitting there looking up at trees. I was like, man, this is like therapy. Nature is so therapeutic.